Hello everyone, this is Yvette from the Kat Scrappiness Design Team, and I'm here today to introduce you to the beautiful Perk Up 6x6 double-sided paper. And I like this size paper for card making especially. So let's get into the pattern papers. Here is the first pattern, and you have your little coffee cups, some with whipped cream topping and some without, on this pale blue background. And then the back, you have brown with looks like a gray brown polka dot. Really nice. And these papers all coordinate just beautifully. Then we have this pattern paper with some piled up, stacked up coffee cups. Very cute. And on the back, you have that teal background with a very light teal polka dot. And then our next paper is this beautiful teal background with a flurry of coffee cups and coffee beans scattered all over. And then the back to that one is the same, but in a cream color background and coordinating coffee cups. We then have this pattern paper with a lot of coffee words, for example, cafe latte, mocha, cappuccino. Very cute. Then we have this pale blue background with different shades of brown polka dots. And then we have this beautiful background covered with coffee cups, coffee beans, and more of those coffee themed words. Ooh, I really like this one. This is a brown background covered with coffee beans. Very nice. And then we have this background that has a light teal stripe, and then it's covered with coffee cups as well. And then last but not least, this beautiful striped background using all the colors in this paper pad. So you have 12 patterns, 4 of each design. So you have 24 sheets of paper in this paper pad. If you haven't done it already, be sure to subscribe to the Kat Scrappiness channel for more videos filled with inspiration. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.